Welcome to the Complete Income and Expense Tracker tutorial. This workbook includes 11 connected sheets and works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The goal of this video is to show the correct workflow in a practical order so you can enter information once, review automatic totals, and understand the dashboards without damaging formulas. Begin with the Start Here and List Sheets. Start Here explains the workbook flow. List stores the category, subcategory, and account names used in the drop-down menus. Before entering transactions, review these names and add only the categories you truly need. Use the same spelling everywhere. For example, do not use both groceries and grocery for the same type of expense, because it would split the dashboard results into separate categories. Next, open the income tracker. Click the first empty input row and enter one payment or deposit per row. Start with the transaction date, then choose the income category or source, enter the amount received, select the account, and add a short note when useful. A salary payment, freelance payment, side hustle income, interest, or business sales should each have its own row. After saving the entry, move to the monthly dashboard and confirm that total income and the income category chart have updated. Now open the expense tracker. Again, use one row for each purchase or payment. Enter the date, main category, optional subcategory, amount paid, account, and notes. Use subcategories for details such as electricity, water, internet, Netflix, or gym membership. Consistent category and account names are important because the expense charts, account balances, and annual summaries depend on those labels. Open the monthly dashboard after your entries are complete. Use the month selector near the upper left area. Review total income, total expenses, savings or profit, savings rate, and progress toward the monthly goal. The income and expense charts show the category mix, while the tables rank categories from highest to lowest. Use the remaining amount after expenses to decide whether spending, savings, or budget targets need adjustment. Do not type over dashboard formulas. The dashboard is mainly for review. For a period that is not a normal calendar month, open the custom dashboard. Click the start date field and enter the beginning date. Then click the end date field and enter the final date. The dashboard recalculates income, expenses, savings, and category breakdowns for that selected period. This allows weekly, biweekly, quarterly, semi-annual, or project-based reviews without rebuilding the workbook. The annual dashboard provides a 12-month view.